Hello! So, it's been a while, but I thought I'd take a tour through the HackLab, Tampere.hacklab. So right now we're in my office. So I actually started my own business and I'm working inside HackLab. So yeah, just take a quick look what I have here. I got my microscope, oscilloscope, workstation, and I got the Prusa Mini and Mark III printers in here, and tools and stuff. But yeah, I do 3D design and mechanical design and prototype manufacturing, and I also sell plywood for the laser cutter. So yeah, anyway, right now we're in the new section of HackLab, right before the whole global thingy. We decided to expand HackLab, and right now we are in the new section where we moved the electronics lab. So this is still under construction a little bit. There's no order that's needed for the workstations. But here's one fully operational for everyone to use. I of course have my own in my office. And let's move outside. I'll just turn on some lights here. We'll go there a little later. But yeah, that's the name of my company, A-Mekanisaatio. There's the HackLab's Prusa Mark 2.5. Hello. There's some more workstations here. This is the lounge. So this corner of the building has, or at least the sections that we have, has all the windows. So this is the nice place to put the lounge area. And there's some greenery here, some chili and plants and lots of natural light. Something that we used to have very little earlier. So this, like the whole building, is kind of interesting that it used to be a slaughterhouse or meat processing plant. So everything's insulated, and this corner place here, this used to be like a warm area, bathroom maybe. But yeah, we decided to just utilize it to make a simulator for flight or cars. It's progressing slowly, but since the other option was to tear down the whole corner room there, yeah, we didn't want to do that. Okay, so in here, now we're in the old section, so this has changed quite a bit as well. I'll just move into here. So here's the textile workshop and the painting room, which used to be the metal room and wood workshop right in the beginning. when we moved here 2015. And in here we used to have the bar countertop thingy with the lounge on platform here and the kitchen here, where we now have built a new room which will be for chemistry and resin printers. And we moved the kitchen in here. This corner is under construction, so needs a little work, but there's like a precious metal workstation here for like working with silvers and gold and that kind of stuff. Let's just take a look at the Textile Workshop. Yeah, don't know much about these, but still it exists. And the paint room, general chaos is mostly the theme here. It improved a little bit with these metal cabinets, but still needs some work. Moving into here. This is still the small CNC machine for making PCBs, for example. There's the can crusher. There's the CNC Plasma Cutter. This is used to be a test equipment from a business in Tampere, and it was going to be demolished or got rid of. They asked if we wanted it. We got it here. Someday we might make a really big 3D printer out of it or something. There's a laser cutter. Same old, same old. There's the storage. Okay, so here I made this map with the laser cutter. So we started here in my office. We've gone through here, and here, we are now here. So this section, right around here, there was a wall, and going through here, here, here. Like this is the original space we had when we moved here to 2015, and then 2017 we got this area, and we had metal workshop here and woodworking here. Now this is all for woodworking. And yeah, last year we got all of this area added. So we still going to look at the storage and the metal workshop. Let's just go through the wood workshop. This is the main entrance. Here's the entrance to the wood workshop. Just turn on the lights. Okay. Some basic tools, clamps, couple workbenches, miter saw, more tools, drill presses. And in here we have the big machines, jointer planer, small bandsaw, another small bandsaw, big table saw, big bandsaw, belt sander, couple of wood lathes, a smaller belt sander, and a scroll saw. And this, I don't know what you would call that, like a form router or something, not sure. And in here is the CNC router. So this room used to be for metalworking, like the space behind this wall, like welding room. But now it's a good place for the CNC. It's protected from people and people are protected from it. Okay, so next, oh yeah, and this wraps around back to the laser cutter from this hallway. We'll just go from here. From here back to the kitchen and near my office and to the new area where we have the new large storage and metalworking. Now yeah, we'll just take a quick look in the new chemistry room. So we have a couple of flow hoods, if that's accurate to say. Still need to sort out the fume extraction. We have a resin printer in here waiting to be installed in here. And yeah, this corner is just waiting for inspiration to be sorted out into something more useful. So back to the lounge. And the small mechanics/electronics/ print preparation or post-processing. And so yeah, one big wish we had for when we were thinking about the expansion, if we should take it or not, was like long-term large storage options for people's projects. So yeah, we decided to dedicate this area mostly for storage. Like we have some of the metalworking equipment in this area here. This one's new for us, a big guillotine type. This one we've had for a while. This one we had for a while. This one's new for us. And this is the big one for us, a new CNC metal milling machine. So it's an old 1987 Bridgeport with Heidenhain TNC 155 controller. And right now it's under maintenance. We decided to give it a like an overhaul before we start using it. So the belts are like pretty much done. Here's the new belts. for the X and Y axes, and the spindle and the encoder for the spindle. But yeah, it's right now we've taken apart the outer casing because that needs some work as well. And moving here, there's the lathe. A forge project still needs a door. Couple more drill presses, some hand tools, and the welding room. This one's new. A new MIG welder. There's a TIG. There's the oven, or I guess you would say kiln. I don't know what's the right word. Another belt sander, anvil, all the grinders. So yeah, we have about 700 square meters of space for now for HackLab to use, and certainly the current crazy business in the world has slowed everything down, including getting new members, which is what we usually expect after expanding. So it's been a little iffy, but we're doing okay. And yeah, I think that's about it.